What's the meaning of attention deficit disorder? Attention deficit disorder. Attention deficit disorder.
Attention deficit disorder. Attention deficit disorder. Attention deficit disorder, ADD, is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by difficulty in sustaining attention, impulsive behavior, and sometimes hyperactivity. It can affect both children and adults, causing problems with academic and occupational performance, as well as social interaction and personal relationships. Individuals with ADD may find it challenging to complete tasks or follow through with instructions, leading to frustration and low self-esteem. While medication and therapy can help manage the symptoms of ADD, there is currently no cure for the disorder.